is responsible about the database and Mongo thing. Then we made a connection for her table. And the last, we do this Thunder client, and we done with it. A user and the weather report. We do get, put, delete, and get again by ID for
And
both.
post.
And post, yes. Thank you, Ramsha. For both weather reports and users. Also, I have the sorry, the screenshot of the project. Here, the Mongo connection, and the here the database Ramsha part, and here the tables. Also, here the users, user by ID, here delete user, here getting users, post user, and update user. And the weather report, I have here delete and get by ID, get weather report, and we have post and put. So that's our part. So here.
Also, Sarah, can you go through
yes.
with the codes for controller modules and routes?
Yeah, sure. This is the controllers. You mean that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the codes. This is a controller user and controller weather. Then models, I have user here and the weather report. Routes, user routes, and weather routes. Here is the env, here where I put the link of the Mongo config and the server GS. And here are the packages, when we delete or when we download the whole codes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that I think she has to take out my part with the Jeanette part and mix it together to make the testing thing.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this is our part. So far, yeah.
And now, what about Robert? Robert,
So,
are you able to share?
Yeah, sure. Let me just set that up. Don't seem to have an option to share. Oh, there it is. Should be that. Can you guys see that okay?
Yes.
So my main stuff, I have a few modifications to user that I made, so I'll just integrate that with what you have. There's also a few changes to server here. We're doing a couple things with session management, CSRF protection, and some authentication. So one of the things we add here is an authentication route. I also added APIs here. I don't know if I'll actually need this with what you guys have on your end, but I just had it here for kind of just initial testing stuff. This will need to get added to everybody's .env file because that won't get tracked by Git. I'll post that later. It's basically a string used to encrypt session activity.
Okay.
Because we use session management here, so that's part of the process to encrypt that. What else do we have? kind of reorganized this. We've got back-end client,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit different. I have should be under source, yeah. So client, I've modified a little bit to include some of that CSRF token stuff.
Mm-hmm.
App, I have basically like a tray type thing where like you'll click on the top right of the screen, it'll open a tray that'll give you the option to like log in or create an account.
Okay.
So I've got that somewhere. And that basically gives you like 2 additional screens that we can load into that include the process for creating accounts and stuff like that. And there's a few things related to that. See, I'm just in the process of getting all my code up. I committed a lot of it, but it doesn't seem to have grabbed certain files, so I got to add a few more things to the Git.
Okay.
That
Great
should be
work,
nice.
guys.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, same.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna need the day for that. I'm gonna need the whole day for that.
yeah.
Love
That's
the
why.
code. Yeah, I have to get this started. I'm like, I was underestimating it. Yes, yes, I do.
Okay, great.
Let me see if I can drop this in here.
No, I think.
There you go. Anyways. Just a little bit of hustle this afternoon. I think we should be good. Once again, just stay in contact. I have most of the afternoon off, so I can hop in to help people if they need it. I'm gonna try and get everything more or less functional in my branch, then just merge that all in if we can.
Yeah, sure.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Yep.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shane.
Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you for your
Bye-bye.
effort. Thank you so much. Bye bye.